it's a very good idea to get more watch time and views to create a playlist or multiple playlists. As I promised on my recent video series, How to Vlog, I'll make a video showing you exactly how to do that if you're not aware. So grab a coffee and settle in. Just kidding, it doesn't have to be coffee. It can be tea or water or whatever you like. Here we go. There are two ways you can get into this. You can either click the icon on the top right hand side and select Create a Studio. Then up the top under your channel name you'll see View Channel. Click that and then click on Customize Channel over towards the right.
At least that is what it says here.
If for some reason you can't find Customize Channel, it may be that your language settings down the bottom need to go to a different language, example UK English or US English. You can always change this back after you've created the playlist. It's just a little bug thing with YouTube, but anyway, that's how you do it. The other way you can do it, go to YouTube and on the top right hand side, click your icon and go down to My Channel. And again, click Customize Channel. Creating a playlist enables people to watch that playlist and every video that you have in that playlist. So it's a very handy way of getting extra watch time. So then you're greeted with this screen. What you want to do is click Playlists. And up the top click New Playlist and give your playlist a title. In the drop down below, you click on Public, or if you're still putting it together, you can have that unlisted until you're finished and ready to make it public. Then click Create. Then click Edit. Click Add a Description. In there you put a description of what this playlist is about. I'd say keep it fairly brief. I'd also suggest adding a link to subscribe to your channel. Then in Playlist Settings, under the word Ordering, you can select Manual, where you choose which videos go where, or you can choose Date Added, Newest, Date Added, Oldest, Most Popular, Date Published, Newest, and Date Published, Oldest. You can change that later. And you can click Add New Videos to Top of Playlist for future videos that you add to that playlist. Normally you would click Allow Embedding on the right. You can also set as official series for this playlist if there are no videos duplicated in another playlist. And then just click Save if you've made changes. And on the right hand side, click Add Videos. And the easiest way of doing it is clicking Your YouTube Videos. You can scroll down the list, click on each one that you want to add to that playlist. And then on the bottom click Add Videos. Now you'll see which videos are in that playlist. Choose which thumbnail you want on display for that playlist. Just go over to the right hand side, click the word More, and down the bottom set as Playlist Thumbnail. You don't need to click Save any further. You can just click outside of that box. If you want to add more videos, repeat the process. If you have a lot of videos, you may wish to create other playlists, and in each playlist put the videos relating to that title. You can also change the order in which they are played using the drop down menu on the right hand side. If you decide to shuffle the videos around, go to the right hand side and you can click Move to Top on the video that you select. Likewise, if you want to move one to the bottom, go to the right hand side and click Move to Bottom. If you decide to delete any videos from the playlist, go to the right hand side and simply click the X to remove, and repeat the process if necessary. Now if you check back in your channel, under Playlists, you'll see a list of playlists that you've created. When you finish, go to Playlist Settings and make sure that you've enabled Public, and now your playlist is viewable online. If you already have other playlists and want to add bulk videos to it, go up the top and click on More, those three dots, then drop down to Add All To, and choose a playlist in the drop down list there. This makes things a hell of a lot quicker than doing it video by video. You'll see a confirmation flash up in blue over on the left if you're really quick. And it's a new feature that YouTube has that would have saved me an awful lot of time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment and I'll answer them. Cheers. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to click that button and hit the little bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos.
Take me to New York, I'd love to see. I really want to come kick it.